Hello, welcome back guys. Welcome back to a brand new video of Mighty Ghost Hack YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are gonna looking for a desktop application that is built with the help of an Angular framework. So we are going to convert the existing Angular web app into a desktop application. So right now you will see the GitHub repo which I open. So today we will convert this web app into a desktop application. I will also provide its links under the description. You can also check out. So before we move further, let's take a look into its working. So this is just a random user generation web API, which simply fetching the random user details from API and display on a web page. So first and foremost, let me clone the project and open it onto the code editor. Now on the left hand side, you will see it's all files. First, we will copy the main Electron file into our project. Make sure it must be under the src folder. Now let's take a look at this file. Here I added the comment as well, so you can read and understand each step. Also, I will provide this file link under the description. Now we have to refer to its path under the package.json file, so that we can run the project and test. We added the Electron command, but we need to include it under the start command as well. So when we entered npm start our web application as well, Electron app will run. So follow the way of writing. Here we are getting the help of a concurrent package to run both commands at the same time. Now we are done with the commands. Now we require to install the concurrent and Electron module. So let's install it. Similar way we will install the Electron package under our project. It's done the installation. Now let's take a look by running the project. Once it builds successfully, you can see it's running under desktop tabs is similar to a web app. So we are done with one step. It runs the project under the desktop tabs. Now we have to build it for production as well. For that, first include the main into package.json file. Refer the Electron path to it. Also, add the one dot before the slash from the index.html file. Next need to include it under the Angular JSON file as well, because we need that file after the build. Let's build the project now. That's it. Here you can see the file appears after build. So this is just a small video regarding desktop app. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any doubt, you can comment out below. Till then, bye.